Welcome to my first episode of making eggless cookies. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prachi. I'm a baker and a content creator for baking. So my focus is to mainly share recipes which are eggless, easy and very simple to bake by any of you from scratch. So my very first recipe is about coconut cookies made from scratch, made at home and very easy. They are eggless and a perfect snack to go with your tea and a perfect gifting item also. So this is my recipe which I'm mostly making on repeat because literally all my friends, my family, my relatives, everybody loves this. Okay, so this recipe comes really handy, has very less ingredients added to it. Made from scratch, eggless, easy cookies individually to increase their shelf life, which makes it really travel friendly, easy to have it around, and you don't need to worry about it being soggy. So I'm going to teach you that too. So let's get started and see how the recipe works.
Okay, to start with, take some unsalted butter. Make sure it's at room temperature, not too hard and not too melted. Leave it outside of your fridge for like 2 to 3 hours and it's the perfect temperature it will come at. That's exactly what you need. Now, just add caster sugar to it. Give it a good mix, and once you've given a freehand mix to it, now I'll use a whisker which is from Kenwood. Works exactly like KitchenAid. It is a charm. You really shouldn't invest on a KitchenAid itself if you're a new beginner baker, if you're a new learner. Expensive product खरीदोगे, use करना नहीं आएगा and you'll not like it. Find a substitute. Now, coming back to the coconut cookies, I stirred them in a very good way on this whisker. Got it all together, added vanilla essence to it and give it a good mix. Now, when my wet ingredients are done, I'll keep it aside and I'll focus on the dry ingredients. So I'm going to take AP flour and desiccated coconut. So desiccated coconut is simply finely shredded and dried coconut, which is perfect for baking. ये आपका मॉइस्चर निकाल देता है कोकोनट से, ताकि कुकीज़ बनते हुए या बाद में सॉगी ना हुए. So it is important to buy desiccated coconut. I'm going to attach a link if you want of the picture of the product which I'm using, so you have a better idea. Now I will sift them all together, give it a good mix freehand and slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture in small batches and mix them well. Once combined, I'll use my hands to gently bind the dough together. If it feels too tight, you can add a little milk bit by bit until the dough comes all together. With the dough being ready, it's time to preheat the oven to 180 degrees for like 10 minutes. Now, why have I done this now? Usually you should preheat your ovens before, but I did it now is because I'm going to make balls out of those cookie dough. While I prepare the coconut balls, the oven is going to be preheated, which saves my time and I can utilize that to prepare the balls. So now I take some desiccated coconut powder separately, make small lemon-sized balls, shape them up properly, dip them into the desiccated powder and then dab them on the cooking tray. So now I have an inbuilt oven which can make up to like 50 cookies altogether, but usually that's not the case, especially with beginner bakers. So now the oven size you have of maybe of a less quantity or a liter size. Max number of cookies you can do on one sheet are 12, because you have to maintain a certain level of gap between each cookie. So once it's fluffed out while it's baking, it shouldn't come together and form like one cookie, like a big giant cookie. That's exactly what we are not looking forward to. So make gaps between them and put 12 at a time on a maximum side. Putting them into the oven. Now I'm going to set that for like approximately 24 minutes. Since again my oven size is bigger, I feel it's baked at 24 minutes. If your oven size is smaller and you're putting like 12 cookies, set it for like 20 minutes before. If you feel they're still very soggy and still not fluffed out, then you can add the temperature to it. But first do it for 20 minutes. Now once it's done, look, they turn out really very pretty though. Taking them out from the oven, I shift them on a cooling rack. That's the first step you have to do. Doing so, it will not burn the cookies from the bottom. I have a wax sealer to seal the packaging part, which looks like a hair straightener. Helps you pack the cookies individually. It's a must buy. It increases the shelf life of the cookies, making it very friendly and very easy to gift to people. And look at it, it just turned out very pretty, and all the packaging, like the separate packaging is doing a wonderful job.
Alright, you all. I hope the recipe was easy for all of you to understand and try it at home. And do share your feedback with me. Do share your reviews with me. Let me know how easy was it to make. You have any queries? Do you want to understand anything else? Also, सबसे important question, I'm pretty sure जो सबका होगा is कि इसमें we added मैदा, we added all-purpose flour. Or if you want to also learn cookies which are completely healthy, like one of the cookies which I did recently were almond cookies which were vegan and gluten free. I can also teach you one more recipe for coconut cookies which are healthy and gluten free. So do let me know if you really want to know any more of my recipes, especially healthy, eggless and made from scratch. I'm right here for you. I'm going to help you with all the recipes. Now let's do the testing part. Okay, first I just happen to put this on a tray, whatever you can call it, whatever, but yeah, just look at them, they look so gorgeous. So they have this perfect cookie, structure. Where's the camera? Okay, here. And they're like slightly brown, so they're not burnt, they're like perfect texture. So yeah, this is it. Okay, I'm going to try the shape, which is actually not an accurate circle shape, because the other ones I have to really pack it and hand it over to somebody. Also, I'm traveling soon and I want to carry this on my trip. So if I'll pack them individually, it saves me a lot of time, a lot of hassle on the trip to put everything back together. I'm going to show you how this looks. Okay, so yeah, 1 2 3. Did you hear that? Like, it's so crunchy. I'm gonna try this. Okay, it's so yummy. I love it. You guys have to try this and do share your feedback with the same. So I have these cookie pouches. You can get this anywhere online, on Amazon, on Temu, on Shein and a lot of other places. If you want, I can also tag few links for this. Please leave a comment below and also let me know if you want to know more about packaging and the links from where I buy my things from, which are pocket friendly, which are economical and also good to use, which gives you that perfect elite look. I can also come up with a different series just talking about packaging, products, ingredients and the tools which come along baking. We can also discuss that. Do let me know if you want to know more about that. Alright guys, thank you so much for being a part of my channel and also enjoying this recipe with me. Believe me, बहुत easy है बनाने को. आराम से घर पे बना सकते हो from scratch. कोई भी ऐसा ingredient नहीं है जो easily available नहीं होता है किसी भी market में. Wherever you're sitting in any part of the world, any country, any city, everything is available very easily and it's not expensive. So you can definitely give it a try. It's a perfect recipe for cookie which you can make it for yourself, your friends, your family, and also when you have guests over at your house. It's very quick also. And सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या है इस रेसिपी के बारे में, it's not very messy, everything is done very easily. The form of the coconut cookie comes like a dough. It's not ruining your hands. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I am there on YouTube by the name cakes.magicalhands. My name is Prachi. I would love to share all my recipes with you, which I've been selling since years, experimenting and like making it for my close ones. Why not be a part of my journey and enjoy this? Alright guys, see you in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.